So today we are going to cover room, area, opening, etc. Okay. So now in Revit, this is the fourth lesson. So first we create here room. So for room, we can go here Revit architecture and then go to the wall. Suppose this one give here 4,000. Okay. So now this one is 4,000 and then create one rectangle here, then create a here one line here and create another line here and then create another line here. Okay, so now this is the level 1. So here this is the room separator. Okay, so here go to the first room option and then you can choose here, this is the by name option. Suppose this one is bedroom. Okay, so now this one is bedroom, just click here. So now this one is bedroom. Okay, then you can choose here, suppose guest room. Okay, so now this one is guest room. Okay, so now suppose choose here, this one is kitchen. Okay, so now this one is kitchen, so click here. Suppose this one is washroom. Okay, so now this one is washroom. Okay, suppose click here. So now escape it. Okay, so suppose click here. So now this one is area perimeter shows here. Okay, so that is the bedroom area perimeter shows here. So that is the showing here. And suppose click here. So now this one is area perimeter, another area perimeter shows here. So suppose click here. Okay, so now this one is shows here. So every area perimeter you can visible by click this one. Okay, so suppose what is room separator. Okay, what is room separator? Suppose without any wall, create any wall, you can separate your area from here. Okay, then escape it and suppose choose here. So now this one is escape. Okay, so that is the area perimeter, click here. Okay, so now that is the room separator. Okay, room separator without any wall. Suppose go to here 3D view, so there have no wall. Okay, but area will be deducted. So that is the room separator. Tag room already created, because in case of room tag placement is on here. So suppose this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3 and this one is 4. Tagging already done. Okay, so that is called tag room. Okay, so area on already given. So that is the room and area. Okay, that is the room and area. Next, this one is by face. Okay, suppose this is the 4,000 means distance level 1 to level 2. Okay, so suppose this one is level 1 to level 2 is 4,000 distance. So already done. So in case of click level 2 here. Okay, so just create here roof. So roof by footprint. Okay, roof by footprint and select suppose rectangle and then here slope is on here. Okay, slope is on here. So suppose this one is offset. So suppose this one is 500. So just click here and click here. So now this one is 500. So that is slope is on here. Okay, so next is right and yes. So now this one is isometric. So that is slope on here. And here by face. Okay, by face. Suppose click here and you can create here one rectangle. So now this one is one rectangle create here. So that is the by face option. Okay, by face opening. Next here, suppose this is the vertical. Suppose click here and suppose this one is a rectangle and this is the vertically open here. Okay, so that is the vertical. So in case of face opening, this one is here angle by face angle is similar to the slope angle, but in case of vertical this one is just cutting by vertically. Okay, cutting by vertically. Okay, so next you just delete this one and then go to the level 2 option. and here you can create roof, suppose rectangle, and then here off slope. So this is the rectangle option, and here offset value suppose give 500. Okay, so now suppose click here and click here, select these two corner points and then write it. Yes, so now this one is isometric. Okay, so now go to the east option and then suppose here grid. Okay, suppose grid. So now this one is in the go to the elevation east option, and then you can create here label. Okay, label, not grid, create label. And suppose level 1 to level distance is 4000, so give offset value here also 4000. Okay, so now just click here and click here. So now this one is escape, also click here and click here, escape, also click here and click here, escape. Okay, click here and click here, escape. So that is the escape. Okay, that is the value. Okay, next select total wall, and then here copy to clipboard. Okay, copy to clipboard, and here paste, align to selected level, and then just choose here level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, select all the levels and then okay. So now you can create wall here. Okay, means total copy multi-story building you can create by this one. Okay, so create level first and then you can copy by copy to clipboard. I'll repeat here. Just go to east option, and here just select all the means wall, and then go to the copy to clipboard, and here paste, align to selected level, and then level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then okay. So now this one is okay. So if you just go to the level 1, and then here shaft, go to shaft and create here one rectangle. Okay, so now this one is rectangle, or any closed object you can create, and then write it. Okay, and then isometric view you can create here realistic, or go to the wireframe. Okay, so suppose select click here, and now this one. Okay, so that is the realistic view. So here this is the option. Okay, so that is the shaft, and then here wall. Okay, how to opening in wall. So select here wall and select this one, create here. So that is in wall you can open anywhere. Okay, so suppose another you can open here, another type. Suppose select this one and go to the edit profile. Okay, go to the edit profile. Here you can create here circle, or you can create here hexagon. Okay, and then write it. So now that is also opening. Okay, so by this process you can open in a wall. Okay, next is dormer. That is much more lengthier and also important. Okay, how to create dormer. So now we can create wall here, wall architecture, and then suppose in 8000, suppose give here 4000, enter. Then suppose create here one rectangle, and then go to the level 2 option, and here roof, roof by footprint rectangle, and then suppose this one is 300. Okay, define slope, suppose on here suppose 500. Okay, so now suppose select this one and select that one. Okay, select this one and select that one, and then write it. Yes, then isometric. Okay, so that is the main thing. Next, just on set option. Okay, how to change the work plane here. So now show label 1 is activate. Okay, so go to the set option, pick a plane, then OK. Okay, so suppose select this one. Okay, and then show. So now this one is showing here. Then suppose roof here, roof by extrusion. Then level 2 OK. Here east, and then go to here one line. Okay, then escape it and select this one, and then mirror draw axis. Just click here and click here. So now this one is mirror, and then go to the default 3D view and then write it. So now this one is mirror up to that. Okay, next you can go here, modify, and then join or unjoin roof. Suppose select this one and select this surface. So now this one is join unjoin, only cutting this portion. Okay, then go to the site option, go to the site option here, and here go to the wireframe. So now this one is wireframe. So here we can wall architecture, go to here wall architecture, and then suppose click here, this one is also click here, and here this one also click here, and then escape. Okay, then isometric, here go to the wireframe, and suppose select this one and select this one and extend this one, and also select this one and extend this one. Okay, and then select this, this, and this. Okay, now go to the attach top base. Okay, go to the attach top base. So now this one is top, and select this one. So now this one is cutting here. Then also here attach top base, this one is base, and select this one. So now this one is cutting. Okay, so here modify, and then go to the dormer option. Okay, dormer option, and then suppose select this bigger roof. Okay, select this bigger roof, and then select this inner line, select this one, select that one. Okay, and also shift and scroll and rotate it. Press shift and scroll in mouse at a time and rotate it, and select this one also. Here select this one and this one. Okay, now then go to the trim option. So select this one and that one. So that is the trim. Also select this one and that one. So that is the trim. Also select this one and that one. That is the trim. Also just inner edge. Okay, means those who have required that line. Okay, so suppose select this one and that one. So now this one is trim. Okay, so closed portion created here and write it. Okay, and then this one is realistic. Okay, so now that is the main thing. Okay, clear. So that is the dormer. Okay, in hill area building, this dormer showing in everywhere. So suppose select this wall, and you can may go to the edit profile. Okay, go to the edit profile, and suppose select here and then write it. So now this one is uh, um, dormer. In dormer there have a whole area. Okay, so that is the main thing. So opening, you can opening and room and area, so all things are done at a time. Okay, so everyone practice as per your time.